love.
Hey beauties, it's Kayla here. Welcome or welcome back. It's day 2 of our stay in Natchitoches, Louisiana. The very next morning after our awesome crawfish boil. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out that video here. So we decided to wake up early and start our day with continental breakfast at the Château St. Denis Hotel. And the food was actually pretty good. It was pretty nice and peaceful. We had the dining area to ourselves. While eating, I couldn't help but notice the beautiful art pieces on the wall. It kind of put me in mind of Clementine Hunter's art in a way, but hers is more abstract, and these seem to be more figurative or detailed. Very nice. Beautiful artistry, although kind of creepy in a sense. I mean, you know what this is, right? A whole plantation, child. No thanks. But it's our history. Just a side note, I was actually jamming the original tracks to these songs, but I did manage to find the copyright-free music to play along with this video. But the actual original tracks are, yeah, if you know, you know.
Which way to go? I think I made a wrong turn back there somewhere. Ooh, hey, hey, I'm trying to decide which way to go. I think I made a wrong turn back there somewhere. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? I tried to move, but I lost my way. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? I stopped to watch my emotions sway. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? I knew the toll, but I would not pay. Didn't you know? Didn't you know? 'Cause you never know where the cost may lay. Time to save the world. Where in the world is all the time? So many things I still don't know, and so many times I've changed my mind. I guess I was born to make mistakes, but I ain't scared to take the weight. So when I stumble off the path, I know my heart will guide me there. Ooh, hey, hey, I'm trying to decide which way to go. I think I made a wrong turn back there somewhere. Ooh, hey, hey, I'm trying to decide which way to go. I think I made a things that we really don't mean. We do things in between the lines. We should do more to stand out. I'm sorry if I made you feel less than who you are, a little insecure. Oh, guilt the shining star I wanna spend my nights with you, my life with you. Oh, baby, baby, please wait up for me till whenever I get home. I know that you're all alone, thinking about what you gon' do. I hope that you see it through. Sometimes I don't think we really say enough. Why is it so hard to keep in touch when we're laying right next to each other, baby? We shouldn't be in a thing so much, overthinking, understand nothing. Don't let them feel it. Change it up, I wanna spend my nights with you, my life with you. Oh, baby, baby, please wait up for me till whenever I get home. I know that I'm all alone, thinking about what I'm gonna do. I hope that I see it through.
Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. But this is not goodbye, it's definitely a see you later. I have so much more Louisiana road trip footage to share with my beautiful YouTube family. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Please be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.